Well, these adjustable DC power supplies are great because they allow you to generate any DC voltage level using these adjustable knobs. But these are too heavy, too clunky, and certainly not pocket size, so you can't take them anywhere you go. But what if I told you there was a great alternative that you could take anywhere, such as this pocket DC power supply? This is fantastic because it allows you to generate any DC voltage level below 9 volts using this adjustable knob and the display there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step instructions in how to create one of these for yourself. And in the end, I'm also including a small surprise for you. Continue watching. What you waiting for? Come on, like and subscribe.